Hello everyone. So today in this video we will see how to build your Gen AI application using the Google Cloud provided Vertex AI platform. So Vertex AI platform provides you multiple features. One of the feature is Model Garden, where they expose the already trained foundation models which you can directly use to develop your Gen AI application. They also provide you a model development option in which you can choose one of the foundation model, train it on your organization specific data, and then expose it as an API and then further use it for the development. And if you already have your AI models developed, you can register them here, and then again you can perform all the training and other operations on them, and then further use them for prediction and batch predictions using API ends. So today for developing this Gen AI application, we will use the foundation model which is already exposed in the model garden. So for that, you need a Google Cloud account. You can use your already created or new Gmail ID to log into your Google Cloud account. Once you create a free account, you get almost $400 to consume for development or to spend on different kind of services. So how to reach here? You can simply go to your Google Cloud Console. Once you go to your Google Cloud Console, because I am already logged in using my Gmail ID, it takes me directly to the console. This is the page you reach. First of all, you need to create a Google Cloud project if you have not already created. So because your all resources, whichever resources you use or you services you use, will be tagged with your project. So if I have created a Vertex AI demo project already and I will be using this project, but if you have not created it, you can simply click here to create a new project. So I will search here Vertex AI and I will go to the Vertex AI screen. Here you can see that Model Garden is the option where you can see multiple foundation models, Gemini Pro Vision, for different kind of features. You can use any of them for development of your Gen AI application. For this video, I will use Text Bison, which is a Palm 2 based foundation model. Once you open this, this is the overview about the Text Bison model, use cases, documentation, and other details. So you can go to Open Prompt Design. Once you click this, a prompt screen will be visible. So this screen you can use to configure or adjust the various parameters of your model, as well as for prompt designing and looking at the output of your prompt. So here you will need to again select your model. You can adjust these parameters like whatever you like. These are nothing but same similar parameters if you have developed any application using the chat GPT via from OpenAI. So these are the similar kind of parameters which you can adjust here. You can write your prompt here. So suppose I want to create an application which will be taking an input and then input in the form of a topic, and then returning 300 word blog on that topic. So you are an AI assistant. You will be given a topic on which you need to return a 300 word blog. Also provide a eye catching heading to the blog on topic. So let's say my input will be, I like to read about snakes, and output I need is a blog. Let us say, let us see what we see if I submit it. So now this prompt is going to the text Python foundation model, and here is the output. So this is the heading, and this is a 300 word blog. Now to design your prompt, it gives you two ways. One is your free form, wherein you simply write your prompt, but it also gives you a structured way of designing your prompt. This is to design a one shot or few shot prompt designing technique wherein you can write your prompt here. You can give a sample input and then a sample output, what kind of output you desire, and then you can give your actual input, and then if you click submit you will see the output. But for this video we will use the free form prompt design screen. Now once your prompt is designed, one very good option Google provides you is that if you once you save this, so if I save it as like AI blogger, if I save this, it is asking about a region. So once my prompt is saved, it you gives it gives you an option to get the code which is pre-written. All you need to do is simply execute these two statements and then copy this code into your Python file and then execute it. So first, in the first line, it is asking you to install Google Cloud AI platform libraries. This I have already done in my project. So I have already created my project GCP Vertex AI demo, and I have already created a virtual environment here. So another option, another line is to authenticate your Google account. So I will pick this and run it here. So once you click it, it will ask you to log in via your email ID. If you have multiple, which of the email ID you want to give access to. So you can follow this screen. Once you are done with all these steps, you will be given access to use the APIs. After that, you can simply copy this code into an into a file. Let's say I write a file here, not here, in my main directory, llm response dot py. So I can simply copy this whole code here, and now if I execute it, python llm response dot py, again this whole process is being executed. So here I can see the output from the LLM. So this is all about how to integrate the foundation model with your application. So this is the output about the same model, but in the real world application, definitely this prompt will not be static, and definitely you will be not be running it from the command line. So let us spend like 5 minutes more and build a front end application also, which will take an input from the user, and then based on that topic it will be returning the uh, blog. So for that, let us create a function here, def get llm response. It will be taking topic or user input. Now this user input needs to be, I am just converting this whole definition into a function. This user input needs to be passed here as a prompt, so I am just converting it. User input, and then I'm simply return response.text. So this is my function which will be taking a user input and it will be returning the output from the foundation model. So here, if you look at quickly, this is nothing but the configuration or parameter setting for our foundation model. This is nothing but the same what we set here in the front end or here in the Google Cloud account. These are the same values, and then this is nothing but a call. So we can create another file which will be working as app.py. I have already installed the Streamlit libraries in this project, so we can use Streamlit. Import Streamlit as st. I will be taking a single input, so user input equals to st dot text input. enter your topic here, and if user input, then simply call the function, because we need to import first from llm dot response import get llm response. We will be calling get llm response user input and st.write llm response, or you can simply write this one line. That's all. So what in a nutshell this program will be doing is it will be taking a user input from the front end, and it will be passing that user input to the get llm response function, and then it will be simply printing whatever output it receives. So let's simply run this application. Streamlit run app.py. I have saved my responses. So this is enter your topic here. So let us say I love reading about tigers. Now this text is going to my foundation model where it will be analyzed, and I should expect a 300-word blog. Yeah. So this is the blog heading, Unleashing the Majesty, a journey into the world of tigers, and this is my blog. So that's how you can use the Vertex AI platform to rapidly build your Gen AI application using the pre-trained foundation models. So this is all about this video. So if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.